Hey everybody, this is Mike. So recently I've been trying out a bunch of recipes inspired by the Mediterranean diet to try to stay more healthy, and they include ingredients like olive oil, legumes, and vegetables. I'm actually making two recipes right now, but I'm going to show you one of them. Chicken quinoa tabbouleh, Mike Levin style. So the first thing you're going to need is to cook up some quinoa. I like to use my little rice cooker. You only need about a half a cup of quinoa. It's really good when it's fresh, but you don't want it to be hot. So you gotta let that cool if it's coming right out of the pot. Then about 3/4 of a cup of cooked chicken. Need about 1/3 of a cup of onions, 1/3 of a cup of cucumber, and then 1/3 of a cup of tomato. And you can dice that up first. Just a couple of seconds. You don't need it to have mixed up completely yet, because what you'll want to do is add a little bit of parsley, a half a cup of lemon juice, and a teaspoon of olive oil. Only need it to mix up for a couple of seconds. And voila! So there you have it, chicken quinoa tabbouleh. It's the perfect thing to make on a Sunday night to meal prep for lunches throughout the week. Enjoy!